Hello everyone, my name is Wallace and I'm from Shandong High Top Group, and I'm here to introduce our excavator. So this one is the 1.2 ton excavator, the HT12, and then this excavator operates with Kubota engine. It is Kubota engine, and this one uses water cool, and this is the engine section of the excavator. And then here is the valve part of the excavator, and then we use Bifang brand. And then these are our pipes, our valve pipes, the German brand, very strong pipe. And I'm going to show you how to operate the excavator. This is the starter, and then accelerator, and then you switch on. And then this is to increase the speed. And for the excavator we use a boom strip, which you turn it on and then you can turn it off, and then that's it. And this is a good excavator.